you can monitor that. So it should be like 60 degree, but it's going 61, 62, 63, 70. So you can inform the contractor that temperature is going to increase. You can you can ask the manufacturer what will be the cause. So you can give them the tracking, how it's going. Then they will prepare the graph. Based on that graph, they will do some predictive, preventive, condition based maintenance on that. They will inform that you need to replace the oil is dirty, or there might be some leakage, or oil level is low, or any wear and tear of the moving part, like this. So this is just one example. So basically, I will go directly inside SAP and I will show. So how you can create the measurement points. Okay. So you can start recording. So IK01, or I will show you the path. If you not memorize IK01, you can go logistic, land maintenance, management of technical object, environment, and measuring points. Measurement points. So you will see the T code IK01. IK01. So in this screen, you need to update here. Measurement point object is equipment. So we are updating the measuring point for equipment. And what is the equipment? So we have created one DG set. Okay. Yeah, this is our equipment DG set. So just enter the equipment, and here measurement point category. So M means measurement point general. So it basically it is always using M for category, and here measurement point is a counter. So counter means this will calculate, like it will go increasing.
Cumulatively
As I mentioned, yeah, increasing like machine hours or compressor running hours. And if you see, there are two types of maintenance. One is hour base, okay, as per machine running, and the second is periodical base. It's a quarterly, 6 monthly, yearly, bi-yearly. So as counter is increasing, so your machine is running daily for 8 hours. So daily maintenance person will keep the record, and he will see how what is the frequency, and what is today's how many hours machine has been run today, and he will update that record on daily basis.
Okay.
System is taking time because it's running first time in that sandbox. Okay, so here they have mentioned M and U. U for unique measuring position and M for measurement point general. Basically, in general scenario, always using M. Here is a counter. If you select counter, you need to update the frequency of machine running or whatever the operation hours, like this. So I will create first of all for counter. Just keep enter. Okay, measuring position. So on which position of the equipment you will measure?
Okay.
that the machine is running. So basically I will give like a numerical 010203 like this. Okay, and description will be, it's for example just, it again it will depend upon the equipment and business requirement. Machine running hours.
Okay.
Yeah, in general data you need to assign the characteristic. So if you remember, these are the characteristic which we have created: serial number, power factor, speed, RPM. So basically, business will inform what are the characteristics they require. That we or master data team need to create the characteristic and need to assign that characteristic here. So machine running hour. So let's see any characteristic for hours.
We are not added actually. We have current voltage ampere.
Let I will take speed. Yeah. We will take speed in RPM. Otherwise, I will do one thing. Okay, let me go back. Let me see all the fields. Turning speed is there. Hours is there. Okay, no issue. We will quickly create one characteristic. Slash n. Okay, so we will give the name of characteristic like machine running hours. Okay, or running underscore hours. Okay. Enter. Yes. Okay, so description will be running hours. Okay, class. Okay, no need at this point. It will be released. Data type again. It will be numeric format. Okay, number of characters 4. I will just okay, template, unit of measure. Okay, hours, and I will save this. Okay, this has been created, and I will assign this to /o for a new screen. Okay, IK01. Okay, equipment. Okay, measuring point is a counter. Measuring position 01. Description machine running hours. I will. Okay, running hours. Yeah, and it's counter. Okay, here we need to add some counter data. So like what will be the counter overreading? So I will update as a 999 is the counter overreading. And what is annual estimation? In 1 year, how many hours that machine will run. So I will keep 3000 and I will save. So if you find system has given you one measuring point, for our reference I will measuring point is, and we have used characteristic here. So I will save this. So we have used this for counter. Again, temperature. So we will again do, okay. Yeah, tell me, temperature will be counter or without counter?
Without counters.
Sorry?
Without counters.
Correct. Your voice, okay, I will increase volume little bit. Yeah, correct.
It's
So,
without counter.
correct. So it will be like okay or not okay. 60 degree okay or 80 degree. So here, if you see,
Fine.
yeah, I have given here system has given target value. Okay, I will mention 0 to okay, temperature. Operating temperature. Okay, and characteristic we need to assign temperature. Okay, temperature. Okay. So if I press okay, it is some issue. Okay, temperature in degree centigrade. Okay, so here you need to give some value. So target value is 80. What is meant by 80? 80 means it's good. Okay, but it's not
80.
always it will be 80. So you need to give additional value, additional data range. So my upper range is 80 and lower range is 30. So in between 80 to 30, it's okay for me, no issue. So this is measurement point and or characteristic temperature. Okay. So let's see. Next, I will save this. Okay, save. So after that, we will make one measuring point for pressure. So I will enter. Okay, so pressure will be counter or without counter.
Without counter.
Okay. So 0.3. That's pressure. Okay. Let me check characteristic of pressure. Okay, let pressure on square is psi. Okay. Okay. So target value I will keep 40 psi. The range, let's check. So it's a very basic data. Means no need to go with this data. You can refer any data or maintenance manual, whatever is available. It's very what I can say, very normal. Means it can vary. But consultant role, I will show you what is the consultant role for this. So once this data will be used for condition based maintenance, at that time if we face any issue or business want to update or some configured custom development, at that time we need to verify all this data and we need to do some changes. Okay, so measuring point 11678. Okay, I will just slash n ik 03.
SAP utility energy data